Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious Haitian style hot wings. So for this, you're going to be needing 4 pounds of chicken wings, and I will be using 1/4 cup of my Sriracha hot chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of honey, and I have 1 jalapeno poked with some cloves, and I have some parsley and thyme tied together with a cooking twine. And I have 1 Maggie cube. This is optional. If you don't like Maggie cube, you can simply just use salt. And I have 1 tomato, and I have 1 lime to clean my chicken, and I have 2 tablespoons of my Haitian spice, which I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys how I make it. And I have 4 cups of water, and I will be using about 2 to 4 tablespoons of my Haitian rum. If you don't have this rum, you can use any type of dark rum that you wish to use, or if you don't want to use rum at all, you can leave it out completely. And you'll be needing some salt and pepper to taste, and some oil to fry your chicken in. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to start, I went ahead and cut my lime in half, and I want to take half of that lime and squeeze the juice in a little cup. We are going to be needing about 1 to 2 teaspoons or so of that lime juice. We're going to use it to add it to our water when we are cooking our chicken. So next, you want to go ahead and sprinkle some salt on top of the chicken wings. And now we're going to start cleaning the chicken. Of course, any little piece of feather you see on there, you want to go ahead and pluck it out, and go ahead and take your knife and take the end of each wings out, just like so, just like that. And then you want to take your lime and clean each of your wings. I do have a more detailed video showing you guys how I clean my chicken. I will leave that link of that video down in the description box for you guys to check out. So I'm gonna go through all the wings and do the same thing to every one of them, and then I'll just come back and show you guys the next step. Okay, my wings are nice and clean. After scrubbing them with that lime, I went ahead and rinsed them under some really hot water. And now you want to go ahead and take that épice or that green seasoning or that Haitian spice and mix it in. Make sure you coat most of the wings. Just mix it really well. Okay. As much as you can, at least. Just like this. And now I'm going to take my Maggie cube. Again, this is optional. If you don't like Maggie cube, please just simply leave it out. And mix that in. And now I'm going to take my tomato. I just cut them into 4 pieces and left the seed in there even. And then my parsley and thyme, and then my jalapeno, and then I'll put some salt to taste. Of course, you want to make sure you taste your food, please, guys. And I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon or 1 to 2 teaspoons of that freshly squeezed lime juice, and then add my water. This is 4 cups of water. I'm using 4 cups of water because I want to save that gravy to put on top of some rice. So now you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high and let this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you double check to see if your water is drying out. And of course, taste for salt. If you need to add more salt, go ahead and do so. So let it cook on medium high for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright guys, my chicken is all cooked. I went ahead and scooped 1 cup of that water that my chicken was cooking in. And I am going to use that Sriracha sauce and put that in there. And to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my honey. Like I said, all the measurement will be down in the description box for you guys to check out. and just give that a stir. As you guys can see, you can definitely add some more sriracha sauce if you need. And now to this, you want to go ahead and add the rum. I'm going to take the pot off the stove when I add my rum. So just add your rum. And now allow this to simmer. If it's not getting thick, you can definitely add some more sriracha sauce, as I said. But we are going to allow this to cook on medium low for about 5 minutes. And once that's done, we're gonna set it to the side in a warm stove top, and then we're going to start frying our chicken. I went ahead and removed my chicken from my pot just so the water can drain out a little bit. And I have some oil into that frying pan. And now you want to just go ahead and dump in your chicken. If you don't want to fry your chicken, you can definitely just go ahead and put your chicken in a cookie sheet and turn on your oven to boil and set your chicken under it just so you can get that beautiful color that the frying will give it. So I'm gonna put like 6 pieces or 7 pieces at a time just so I can have room for the chicken to fry. And just allow it to fry until it's a nice, beautiful golden brown color. Be careful, guys, so you don't get burned during this process. Alright guys, this is the color we are looking for. As you can see, it's not burnt, but they have that beautiful golden brown color to it. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the oil and continue frying the rest. And then when I come back, I'll show you guys how I add the sauce to show you guys the finished product. I went ahead and transferred my fried chicken into a large metal bowl. Now you want to take the hot sauce while your chicken is still hot and just pour over your chicken. And then just flip it so it can all be coated. I made this a couple weeks ago and you guys absolutely loved it. I post pictures on my social media, which if you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and follow my Facebook page or like my Facebook page, and come snap with me on Snapchat and follow me on Twitter. So as you can see, it is pretty hot. That way that hot sauce can get into that chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more. These are perfect snack for Super Bowl or just for a snack period. But you guys know I am a big Vikings fan, so go Vikings. And we always try to have some type of snacks when we are watching the game. And this is pretty much it. I would taste it, but it's really, really hot. I don't want to get burned, but I promise you guys these are so delicious. Please try this recipe, and if you do try it on Super Bowl, please tag me on any social media that you choose to post it in. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and please do share this channel with your loved ones. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.